So this is it, the Gino Bambino sourdough pizza crust. Build your own pizza thing. So it's all ready to go, and I got the oven heated up already too. 425. They say do 450. I'm cooking it on, as you probably could tell. I'm just putting it in the oven with parchment paper. It makes it so much easier, and it cooks the crust really good because it's really like putting it on the grate. And yeah, there you go. So that's going to take about 20 minutes. About 10 minutes into it, and it's looking good. Okay, it's about ready, and there we go. Beautiful. So here's the trick. You just have to be real careful taking it out when you're using parchment paper. So here we go. Came out really good. I'm going to let it cool for a bit, and I do things a little unconventional. I don't use a pizza cutter. I have a pizza cutter, but I use something called a scraper, and I'm just going to kind of press it like this, and maybe 16ths or 8ths, so I could do 8ths, and it's just like much cleaner. You're not shooting it across the room, you know, the crumbs and everything. Keeps it contained. Okay, it's go time. Here we go. Got my scraper, and I don't think this is the way to do it in Italy. It's just like so much easier, I think. You just kind of cut it nice and straight. The thing with sourdough pizza, sourdough crust is it doesn't spike blood sugars because it's a lot healthier. I don't know the whole science behind it, but it's better. And that's it. Voila.